Rath Yatra is derived two Sanskrit words, Ratha, which means chariot or carriage, and Yatra, which means journey or pilgrimage. Rath Yatra, also referred to as Rath Yatra or chariot festival, is any public procession in a chariot. The term particularly refers to the annual Rath Yatra in Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and other East Indian states, particularly the Odisha festival, that involve a public procession with deities Jagannath, the Vishnu avatar, Balabhadra, his brother, Subhadra, his sister, and Sudarshana Chakra, his weapon, on a ratha, a wooden deula-shaped chariot. It attracts over 1 million Hindu pilgrims who join the procession each year. Rath Yatra in India include the Rath Yatra of Puri, Ramrai Rath Yatra, and the Rath Yatra of Mahesh. Hindu communities outside India, such as in Singapore, celebrate Rath Yatra, such as those associated with Jagannath, Krishna, Shiva, and Mariamman. Jagannath Rath Yatra at Puri. Trades are usually worshipped in the sanctum of the temple at Puri, but once during the rainy season of Odisha, usually falling in month of June or July, they are brought out onto a Badadanda, main street of Puri, and travel 3 km to the Sri Gundicha temple in huge chariots. The rathas are huge wheeled wooden structures which are built anew every year and are pulled by the devotees. The chariot for Jagannath is approximately 45 feet high and 35 feet square and takes about 2 months to construct. The most significant ritual associated with the Rath Yatra is the Chhera Pahara. During the festival, the Gajapati king wears the outfit of the sweeper and sweeps all around the deities and chariot in the Chhera Pahara, sweeping with water ritual. The Gajapati king cleans the road before the chariots with a gold-handled broom and sprinkles sandalwood water and powder with utmost devotion. As per the custom, although the Gajapati king has been considered the most exalted person in the Kalinga kingdom, he still renders the menial service to Jagannath. The ritual signified that under the lordship of Jagannath, there is no distinction between the powerful sovereign Gajapati king and the most humble devotee. Chhera Pahara is held on 2 days. On the first day of the Rath Yatra, when the deities out from the Sri Mandir to the chariots in Pahandi Vijay. In the Rath Yatra, the 3 deities are taken from the Jagannath temple in the chariots to the Gundicha temple, where they stay for 9 days. Thereafter, the deities again ride the chariot back to Sri Mandir in Bahuda Jatra. On the way back, the 3 chariots halt at the Mosima temple and the deities are offered Podha Pitha, a kind of baked cake which are generally consumed by the people of Odisha. The observance of the Rath Yatra of Jagannath dates back to the period of the Puranas. Vivid description of the festival are found in Brahma Purana, Padma Purana, and Skanda Purana. Kapila Samhita also refers to Rath Yatra. Rath Yatra celebrated in various places like International Rath Yatra. The Rath Yatra festival has become a common sight in most major cities of the world since 1968 through the Hare Krishna movement. Rath Yatra of Mahesh. The Rath Yatra of Mahesh is the second oldest chariot festival in India and oldest in Bengal, having been celebrated since 1396. And this is how we celebrate every year the Rath Yatra. Wish you a very happy Rath Yatra. May there be peace and may we get blessed by Lord Jagannath. This Puri Jagannath Rath Yatra, may you be blessed with Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra's choicest blessings. A very blissful Rath Yatra to you and your loved ones. So, thank you. Bye bye. See you on next video.